This shit gotta be perfect. Miller gang, I put this on the breath of my body. Gang shit. It gets hard when you feel like you ain't got another route. That's why I gotta keep my options open. Ain't no chillin' out. I'm sorry, baby, if you feel like we can't talk it out. But right now, what nigga needs you? Is you down or you out? The same people say they love me, I know they don't ride with me. They only see that I'm gifted. They not down to ride with me. That's why I'm always with the gang. That's my family. But I don't understand how niggas switch and think it's all sweet. I make sure niggas eat, but this is how they treat a G. It's okay, always been the type to leave it in the streets. But tell me how you got a problem when you see me, you don't speak. Bitch, I'm the one who hit that nigga and came back to the view. It won't you. My life was almost taken, 8 rats won't enough. I blew that like the pats that I call my plug for. The plug called me back like, bro, you hit me up too much. I told him, hey, I gotta get it, word by the digits. And stop the bitchin', how you trippin' if I'm coming with cash? Niggas ass trapping backwards, that's when shit hit the fan. And I refuse to let my family down, I gotta be a man. So I refuse to let you pussy niggas put me in the jam. And then I'm in the can like, damn, that's what my man's. But you know how that shit goes, everyone ain't loyal. Niggas turn soft when the water boiling, they noodles. And I was always taught to treat niggas like they the po-pos. All that finessing is a blessing that I'm here today. Everything I ever did, I promise I tried to make a way. And they know that I'm like Kodak with this tunnel vision. They don't like to see me win, they like to see me fail. They want my dick off in the dirt, they want it in me now. Blow. Watch me kill them with kindness. And niggas so damn iffy, they be flaw like they diamonds. I'm grinding so one day we can be on the island. With our feet up so where the struggles can't find us. And I am not a rapper, I am more like an artist. I'm painting perfect pictures every time that I rap. And you can see it in my eyes, plus my hand on my strap. I got a hunger for this game, I used to love for the trap. The trap ain't never loved me back, bro, it's full of them rats. Yo niggas ain't your niggas, pay attention to that. And niggas change for no reasons, don't the seasons do that? Fuck it.